In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy a GitHub project on Netlify. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, we'll start by heading over to Netlify's website. Go to netlify.com, and once you're on the homepage, you'll find an option that says Deploy to Netlify. Click on that and we'll be on our way. Now, one of the first things you need to do is link your GitHub account to Netlify. So, when prompted to choose a provider, select GitHub. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, Netlify will ask for authorization. This is essentially giving Netlify permission to access your GitHub account, which is necessary for it to deploy your projects. Just follow the prompts to grant that access. After you've authorized the connection, it's time to select your repositories. Here you get a choice. You can either import all your repositories at once, or just pick the specific one you want to deploy. If your GitHub account has multiple projects, it can be overwhelming to see everything at once, so I recommend just choosing the particular repository you have in mind. Just click on the option to install, and that will confirm your selection. Next, you should see an option that says Import a Git repository. Go ahead and click that. This is where the real fun begins. You will see a list of your GitHub repositories to choose from, so locate the project you'd like to host on Netlify. It's usually named something intuitive, so you shouldn't have trouble finding it. Once you select your project, Netlify will take a moment to build and deploy your app. This might take a little while, so be patient. This process involves compiling your project along with any necessary dependencies and preparing everything to be served on the web. And there you have it. After the build process finishes, and fingers crossed without errors, Netlify will provide you with a live link to your newly deployed site. This is always an exciting moment. Click on that link, and you'll see your project running live for the first time. It's such an exhilarating feeling to see your work come to life. Now, if you want to make any changes to your project after deployment, you don't need to worry about redeploying it manually. Simply push your changes to GitHub, and Netlify will automatically rebuild and update your site for you. How cool is that? And that's it! You've successfully deployed your GitHub project on Netlify. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful and made the process easier to follow. If you enjoyed this content and found it helpful, please give this video a